Crop a picture in your Office file to help focus on what matters the most. In your file, select the photo you want to crop. Select the Picture Tools Format tab and select Crop. There are several ways to crop your photo. Drag a cropping handle to crop it from the side, from the top or bottom, from the corner, or press Shift to crop the entire photo down to the size you want. If you'd like to position the crop, move the editing area by dragging the edges of the cropping handles, or move the picture. Press Escape to finish. You can also add a border. From the Picture Tools Format tab, you can select a style, such as a metal frame, drop shadow rectangle, or a simple frame. Or select Picture Border and choose a color to customize your border and get your photo to stand out just the way you want.